Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot to track email opens for sales outreach. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize HubSpot to track email opens for your sales outreach, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Objects. From the drop-down, select Activities. Look for the Email tab. In the Tracking section, find the option for tracking email opens. Toggle the switch to enable email open tracking. You'll then see a prompt asking for permission to install the HubSpot tracking code. Follow the prompts to install the tracking code if prompted, and ensure your email client is supported. For Gmail users, connect your account by clicking the option to install the HubSpot Sales Chrome extension. If you are using Outlook, download and install the HubSpot Sales add-in. Once installed, log into the add-in using your HubSpot credentials. Return to your email client and compose a new email. You should now see the tracking options visible in your email compose window. Before sending, make sure the tracking box is checked to enable open tracking for each email. Once the email is sent, HubSpot will automatically track and log any opens in your dashboard. Monitor email engagement easily through the HubSpot Activities feed. Feel free to reach out to HubSpot support if you encounter any issues during the setup process. Now you're ready to enhance your sales outreach efforts with email tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.